You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah. I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. On Saturday, you guys get to see me and gonna give this video a thumbs up because you know it's gonna be lit. We get it on and popping, we keep it rocking, we ain't stopping. Quarantine and all, we ain't stopping. Period, poo. Last time in my video I told y'all how I've been scratching my scalp, so it made my hair get a little bit thin. So I started using the alopecia free along with oh my god, y'all, I'm sorry, my phone is just doing the most. Okay, so I started using the alopecia free along with some the little concoction that people were telling me to try, been telling me to try for years, the yeast infection cream, Monostat 7 along with some grease. So I started doing that and it's growing my hair a little bit. Girl, it's rough out here for me right now. I know it's rough for y'all too, but girl, we just gonna have to stay prayed up because it's a lot going on. It's a lot. So today I'm starting my wig series, since that's all I'm gonna be able to wear right about now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do any hairstyles until my hair get a little bit of thickness back right there, because right now it's a little bit too thin and girl. But yeah, so today I'm just starting my wig series. I went and bought me some stocking caps because I didn't have any. That's the only reason I didn't start this series ahead of time. Now I don't know how I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna just do one wig per video or however I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do one wig per video because it's not gonna be just wigs. You know, I'm not just gonna just upload wig reviews every week. I'm probably gonna do them maybe every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, every month, however I see fit to do it. Especially if you guys like this series of me just going down and trying different wigs. Now I'm a synthetic wig queen. I like good synthetic wigs that look like they're human. Look like they're human quality, but they're actually synthetic. So yeah, so every wig that I buy is under $50. All the wigs that I get are under $50, and I have 3 staple brands that I love to, you know, just try out, and those brands are Sensationnel, Orchid, and Bobby Boss. Orchid being my favorite, so I should have said Orchid, Bobby Boss, and Sensationnel, because Sensationnel is my least favorite, but I still like the brand. But anyways, the first wig today we're gonna try is from Sensationnel. I told you I only have 3 that I really like, 3 brands that I really like, and this one is from Sensationnel. This is Lala. Now I got those. I was gonna do the instant half up half down hairstyle, but like I just told y'all, my hair is funked up right now, so we can't do that. So I got this cute little curly wig because I've been wanting, I saw somebody that had hair like this and I just thought it was so cute. So when I saw that Sensationnel had it, now I have to be, look girl, I don't know why I just cannot say all of this while I'm trying to talk, but I get all of my wigs from Amazon. Every wig that I buy I get from Amazon, so you can find all the wigs that I have on Amazon, and of course I'm gonna link them so you won't have trouble with finding them. You know, you can go directly to where I get it from. So yeah, this first one is just this like Kyreeka wig. Makes you think of Just Let Your Soul Glow from Coming to America. Girl, I like how it can like do 2 different hairstyles with this wig, but don't she look like she from the 70s, just dripping with Kyreeka sweat? Because that's what it looks like, a freaking Kyreeka. So it's a jump from style to style at a great value. This one right here actually was $30. I only paid $30 for this one. So yeah, that's a win. Like I told you, I don't spend over $50 for my wigs. I make sure that they are some good looking wigs, but I make sure that they're affordable too, because I don't like to break my bank for no wig, especially for a synthetic wig. So just taking it out of the box, it comes with a net. I hate nets on wigs, but yeah, this is really, it looks like it's gonna be really cute. Let me go ahead and put my wig cap on. I told y'all to make you look like you straight from the 70s. Girl, I love it. Play with these people from Sensational. Okay, you just gonna have to keep finessing it to fit your face, honey. But I know with, you know, like putting on some makeup and stuff is really gonna have it looking cute, because I like this look. And you know, you just gotta shape it to your face. So if you cut this and shape it to your face, it's gonna be really cute. You see how it's too long in my face right now? I don't have my scissors and I don't feel like going to get them because I'm lazy, but you get it. You see the gist of what I'm saying? This is a cute wig. I don't care. It's a cute wig. It just needs to be framed to your face. And you can, I can do it like either like this. That part right there need to be out the way. Get out the way. This is cute though, y'all. This is really cute. Like I said, this is a sensation. This is sensational, and this is in the style Lala. The color that I have is SM1B 99J and burgundy. I love the color 99J, so if I ever see 99J or burgundy in anything, I'm gonna automatically gravitate towards it, because those are my two like top favorite colors when it comes to wig, alongside 1 and 1B. So yes, I'm feeling her. She's soft. She is, you know, this hair is big and it's thick, but it's not too much to me, because for the look of what I'm going for, this is exactly what I want. I love that. I'm gonna see if I can like get it to how she got it, because you see how she got it going in her face. Like, you can wear this in 2 different styles. You can do the bang like curly hairstyle, just cut that. That's too long. They shouldn't have. Let me see, I could put it up. Nope, it needs to be down. So you need to cut it and shape it to your face. But it's cute. It's really cute. It's really big. Right now we're gonna have to wear it like this so it can get out of my face. But I like it. I love this one. I would wear this with, like, you know, different hairstyles go with different outfits. I think I say that a lot. But different hairstyles go with different outfits. So I can see me like wearing this with kind of like my animal print, or if I just want to, if my outfit is not gonna be that much that day, I can put this hair with it, because the hair is doing a lot. So I would kind of like wear a toned down like basic tank top with some jeans and some heels and throw this wig on, and I think that'll be really cute with it. Ooh, girl, I just can see me doing so much with this hair. I love this hair. I love this wig. I love the volume of it. I love the airiness. I love how thick it is, because I like big hair. I've always been a fan of big hair. So yeah, this is a cute wig. Like I said, I'm gonna link it down in the description box below so you can check it out for yourself, just in case you want it. If you're like me, girl, you just want to try different hairstyles, different wigs, different hairstyles, different whatever, girl, let me know. And if it's any other wigs that y'all want me to check out, even though I got a couple of them already, if there are any wigs that you're interested in and you want to see how it looks, if it's worth the money, you want me to review it for you just to let you know if it sheds or anything before you go and spend your coin on it, let me know and I'll check it out for you and get on here and tell you what's the tea with it, what it is, what it ain't, and how it's gonna be. All right, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love you guys, and I see you all in the next video. Bye.